Good evening, East Middle. I'm here to, first of all, welcome you back to the school year, tell you that we are really excited for you to come back and start the new school year with us. It's been way too long since you've been in school with us. So whether you've chosen to do hybrid or core, I'm going to go over with you what you're supposed to do on Monday morning whenever you wake up. Obviously, if your last name starts with A through L, you should be, and you chose hybrid, you should be reporting to East Middle. And you will have in-person classes on Monday. If you've either chosen core or your hybrid group B, which means that your name starts with K, your last name starts with K through Z, then you're going to be doing what I'm doing on the screen today. So if you are a hybrid B or if you are a core student, the first thing you need to do when you wake up is immediately go to your email. You do have a Google email through the district, so you're going to want to go to the Google page and you're going to want to sign on to your Google account. I have a different Google account here, so it's going to ask me for my password. I'm going to put that in and it's my Google page. Now, when you wake up in the morning, you are going to have an email from most likely Mr. Andrejchuk. It'll come from one of the principals, but it will most likely come from Mr. Andrejchuk, and it will come at 7 a.m. in the morning, and you have until 7:45 to take attendance. So here's my email. East Middle Daily Homeroom Attendance came from Amity Smith. Like I said, it would come from any of the principals, but most likely from Mr. Andrejchuk. So I'm going to click on that, and there's going to be a link there for me to click on. I can't stress the importance of doing this between 7 o'clock and 7:45 a.m. every morning, because we have to report our attendance legally to the state. So if you do not log in between 7 and 7:45 and complete this Google form, then you will be marked an unexcused absence. Obviously, if you're sick, you would send a note and that would be different. But on any other day, you're going to want to log in here. So you're going to want to click on the link that Mr. Andrejchuk sends you, and this is what's going to come up. You're going to select today's date. Today's date is August 20th. You're going to go down and put your first name, your last name, your grade. I'm going to say I'm in 6th grade. Then it's going to ask for your homeroom teacher, which you can look on your schedule to see who your homeroom teacher would be. Let's say I have Miss Britton. Then I'm going to submit. And then that's it. You are present for that day in school. That is the first thing you should do every single morning between 7 and 7:45. Now, filling this out doesn't mean that you're going to be present for all of your classes if you're a core student, but it does mean that your daily attendance will be reported as present. If you don't fill this out, it will not be reported as present. So it's very important that you do this. All right, thank you. My follow-up video is going to describe what you should do next if you are a student at home.